Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny here. Today's date is Thursday, January 4th, 2024. The time is 10:13 a.m. here in Salem, Oregon. And as promised, I have canvassed 2 of 3 of the diamond dots that I purchased at Walmart the other day. So did you figure out another canvas that I purchased? Are you ready for the big reveal? And here it is. If this will focus. And maybe not. Come on, you can do it. There we go. And this is special edition, so I don't know if that means that it is exclusive to Walmart or not. Add some sparkle to your world. So we have 29 colors, and it tells you how many drills, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. See what's in the box. Maybe I'll try to open this side. Okay. Oh, I got it scotch tape down. They're adding to the suspense. There we go. Yahoo! All right, let's open it up. Okay, let's start and look at their accessory kit. Set that aside. And this looks to be a standard kit. So a sparkly pen with a single placer, which is all I use. And then you get the finger comforter thing and some wax and a gray boat. Not a green, a gray. This kit was $9.99. We'll round it up to 10 bucks. Let's open up and see what goodness we have in here. My first diamond painting was a diamond Dotz. And I loved it. Now it was a partial and it was huge, but didn't take me very long to complete it, but I prefer the full canvas, not the partials. So, all right, so let's see what kind of colors we have here. Now, Diamond Dotz does have their own DMC codes, and they call it, I can't remember what they call it, but let's see what we got here. So we got some numbers, some symbols. And the 29 colors. So let's do the big reveal. It's looking pretty, isn't it? Now I'm just going to go ahead and fold it because it's pretty, wants to fold on itself. And you get instructions on how to diamond paint in 3 different languages. So let me just fold this the other direction real quick. There we go. I'll get out my handy dandy scraper thing here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, now on these paintings, the frame of it here, you do not diamond paint. It's just the inside of it. And the size of your drill area, 36 by 27 centimeters, or 14.2 by 10.6 inches. And let's just take you up to the drill area. And Diamond Dotz always has a clear canvas. You can see everything really well. Okay, let's check out the stickiness. You hear that? Yep, that's sticky all the way around. Diamond Dotz does have, in my opinion, they're not budget friendly. They are more of the premium types. You always know that you're going to get a good canvas. Well, I've always gotten good canvases. I do not have any issues with them at all. Okay, yep, that's all sticky there. And if you do lay this out, it will lay flat real quick. As you can see, just doing that little bit, that it's calming down really fast. So let's look at the canvas. We've got a waterfall falling down into the river maybe. Got some nice trees here. Rocks. A little bit of sky up here. Some more trees. Very relaxing. You know, a type of place you'd want to go sit and have your lunch or read a book. Maybe on the sandy beach over here. Okay, so let's take a gander at the drills. Diamond Dotz always has good drills. They're very sparkly. See how many trains we have here. Okay. Very pretty colors. Oh, I like that. Let's see what else they gave us. I really enjoy Diamond Dotz. If you haven't tried them, buy a little painting and see what you think. And you can always get these on sale at Hobby Lobby for 40% off every other week. And you might find some on clearance. I have found some on clearance. Okay. You know what? Let's just open up a random bag of drills so you can see what they look like. Let me get out my tray and some scissors. I'm just going to open up this one here. And excuse me just 1 minute because I got to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, and we'll give it a shake, 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 shake. There you go. Yeah, they're really nice. If I can find my... I'm going to pick one up just so you can see. Sorry, I'm far away. I'm trying to... I don't know if you can see that, but that's with my nano glue or tape. It picked it right up. That probably wasn't the best color to show, but I just picked one at random. Yeah, my first diamond painting was a diamond Dotz, and I fell in love with diamond painting. I had a good experience with my first diamond painting. I still have it. It is framed. In fact, I used to do videos on Facebook, and I did share my first ever diamond painting experience. It's hilarious. It's on my channel here. I did transfer it over. I had not watched any YouTube, no nothing. I had no idea what I was doing. I got the kit and just went at it. And I just stumbled over everything. I didn't know what to call the drills, and I was calling them all kinds of different names. And just kind of winged it with what I was doing. So yeah, it's kind of a fun video. And I was just so proud of myself when I finished my first one. Yeah. I'm glad that I did that video because it just reminds me how far I've come in diamond painting and all the different things that I've done and changed, and oh boy, yeah, it's really evolved since 2018. I tried to find out who was the first person or the first company in the United States that sold diamond painting. Now, I could not find anything. And when I first started diamond painting, I wasn't a real big online shopper. And then, so I just went to, you know, like Joann's and Michael's, and, you know, bought the paintings as they were on sale. Well, I think my first one I did not buy on sale. I just wanted to try it. My ex-daughter-in-law had bought a canvas, and yeah, so that's where I learned about it. But I thought, oh, yeah, I went right out and got me a canvas. Well, then my friend Ross over at Smells Like Yarn, I was watching him for yarn content, and then at about the same time that I started, he started diamond painting. And he was showing all these diamond paintings that we called China mail. You know, everything came from China. And you would have to order quite a few of them because you'd have to wait, you know, a good month to get your China mail. And that was always exciting. I've got videos of that too, you know. Yay, I got China mail! Oh my goodness. So, yeah. The good old days. That was in 2018. So I have one more that I purchased, and I will be showcasing that one in the next few days. I just wanted to jump in here and show you this one. So if you, oh, this is called Waterfall Grotto. I don't know how to pronounce that, so you know how I am. Add some sparkle to your world. And you get everything in the diamond painting kit that you need to get started. So if it's your first time to diamond paint, use the toolkit that comes with it. Give it a whirl. If you like it, you know, try a couple more. If you really like it, then you can start adding tools to your arsenal of things that we all have way too much of. But every kit will come with the pen, the wax, the tray, the drills, the canvas. For me, I don't like the skinny pins that come in the kit, so I got me a fat pen. And we all have tons of different trays that come with different canvases, and then yeah, I've got a whole box full of the green ones, gray, white, purple, and of course we all have tons and tons of wax, because that wax lasts quite a long time. But now I went over to the nano tape, so and the pins that come with the kits, I take off the tip, and that's what I use. I just put them on this one. I change them out every once in a while. Put them on there. So, let me know what you think of this canvas. Very, very pretty. So, like I said, I have one more of these to show you. And then I've also got two more from Dreamer Designs that I've got to make videos on, so you can see those. Okay, I'm going to let you go. Let me know what you think and if you've ever done a diamond dots and what you thought of it. For me, it's top notch. Beautiful canvases, beautiful drills, and nothing negative to say about them at all. All right, thanks for stopping by and listening to my unboxing. Talk to you later.